Someone shared with me that, God really loves us. He wants a relationship with us. And the problem is that we are sinners and it's our sin that separates us from Him. Kaya minsan, magtatanong tayo, God, alam mo ba yung sitwasyon ko? Nagpipray ako, hindi kita marinig. Hindi mo naman sinasagot yung mga prayers ko. Ganyan. Yung wonder tayo, nagda-doubt na tayo. Ano ba? Nasaan ka ba, Diyos? Ganyan. Pero it was only when someone shared with me na God really wants a relationship with us. So He sent a solution to our sin problem. He sent Jesus to die on the cross, pay the penalty for our sin. He lived a blameless, sinless life that we should have lived. And He died that gruesome, grueling, most painful death that we should have died. And in order that after 3 days, He rose again so that He can, if we put our faith in Him, He will forgive us of our sins and we can experience the fullness of life here on earth and life with God in heaven. So when my friend Anthony Pangilinan shared that with me, eventually I surrendered my life to God. I read the Bible. I came to know Jesus more. The more I learned about Jesus, the more I trusted Him, the more I surrendered my life to Him. Tapos dito na talaga nagsimula yung turnaround ng buhay ko. As in, Pia, nothing in my life was working that time. But the only change was when I surrendered my life to Jesus. Ang daming nabago. Nagkaroon ako ng hope. Naayos yung relationship ko sa parents ko. Nagpe-pray ako, Lord, wala na akong savings, wala na akong trabaho. Will you open doors? Diba? Ask and you shall receive, seek and you shall find, knock and the door will open. So I would pray and God will give me jobs. Ang laki ng utang ko pero nakabayad ako. Sabi ko, Lord, ang dami mong ginawa sa buhay ko. Kailangan ko ng direction sa buhay ko. When I was a divorced woman, I was hanging with the wrong crowd. I would frequent the clubs, but God took me out of the clubs. He brought me to 700 Club. I found reason. I found reason and purpose with God using the skills He has given me, the experience in show business, in hosting.